Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 2 assignment of the course Python for Data Science. Guys, for the past 5 years we have been giving solutions for various NPTEL courses. So for Python for Data Science, now we are going to show you the solutions. So please watch the video till the end guys. You may miss some content if you skip the video. So do watch full video and definitely like this video so that we can get encouragement and support to do further videos. So first question guys, which of the following object does not support indexing? So for first question the probable answer is fourth option, set does not support indexing. So guys, these are completely our probable solutions. So we tried our best to give you the most probable solutions guys. So if you have any different opinion about the solutions, you can please give your probable opinion or the option in the comment section guys, but I think most of the solutions are 100% correct. Next, second question. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel guys. Definitely share this with your friends and classmates so that they will also get to note the solutions and get benefited like you. Second question guys, given a numpy array, so this is an array guys, so they are asking what is the output of the command. So if you give this command print of ARR of 0 1, so for second question the probable solution is third option guys, 4 5 6. So mark third option as the probable solution for second question. Now let's move on to the third one guys. Third one, what is the output of the following code? Output of the following code. So this is the code they have given along with a for loop, including a for loop. So for third question, when I did this in my compiler, I have got the answer as third option once again guys, 1 2 3 4. So mark third option as the probable solution for third question. Now moving on to the fourth question now. The fourth one. Fourth one, what is the output of the following code? For fourth question also once again it is third option guys. So mark third option. Next, moving on to the fifth question, which of the following code gives output my friend's house is in Chennai? So if you see this first option, I think these two should be one pair and these two should be one pair, and third one is left out without any meaning of the place, variable place, and fourth option directly they have mentioned here in the format method. So imagine the place should be given here also, then every answer should be the correct one guys, most probably. But if you take it for granted, you can skip this third option because they did not mention what is the place variable here. So it is safe to go with these three options only guys. But if you want to, if you are expecting any mark awarded for this, you can go with this option also guys, but they did not mention here clearly, because if you see here everything went in a mess. So they have mixed everything, so there is no exact clarity regarding that. So it's better to go with these three options. I am going with these three options only guys. Next, sixth question. So before getting into the sixth question, I want to make a small announcement guys. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So for the course Python for Data Science, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs guys. You are getting a PDF access in a Google Drive restricted link. So here you are going to get a huge number of 295 plus MCQs guys. 295 plus MCQs. It contains all the data sets also guys, along with the data sets. So these are completely the previous year's assessments as well as procured assessments, everything combined guys. So complete along with normal questions, along with the data sets also provided guys, along with the solutions as well. So for 295 plus MCQs, you're getting these MCQs and data along with the data sets, guys. So the price is 500 rupees only, guys. So up to 5 members can use that. If one person purchase with 500 rupee, up to 5 members can use that along with this the person. So the validity will be till the exam day. It can be extended till the results day as well, guys. So there is high topic coverage and search option is also available, guys. You can search any question you want. So for 500 rupees only, you are getting 295 plus practice MCQs, guys. Huge number of MCQs. So if you want to purchase, then mail me to this email ID, guys. bk179417@gmail.com. So this is the email ID you have to mail me, guys. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we are providing this, guys. So this is the mail ID. I'll give the same email ID in the description box as well. bk179417@gmail.com. So already many students have taken our pack, guys. So take it now itself so that you can get more time to prepare, guys. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. Sixth question, guys. Let's T1 equals this one and T2 is this one. Which of the following will not give any error after the execution? So when I did this, I have got 4 probable answers, guys. So the last 4 options, second, third, fourth, fifth. So last 4 options I have got as the probable solutions, guys. Next, seventh one. Let D equals, so they have given a dictionaries, right? So key value pairs. One is the key, value is Python, though the spelling is incorrect, so ignoring that. So one is key, Python is value, and 2 is the second key, and 1, 2, 3 again a set is the second value. So they're asking which among the following will not give the error after the execution, similar to the previous question in form of the question, right? So for 7th question, I have got 2 probable answers, guys. The first one is first option itself and the other one is third option, guys. So mark first and third options. Now moving on to the 8th question. 8th one, which of the following data type is immutable? So for 8th question, the probable answer is option 3, guys. Tuple is immutable data type. Next, 9th one. So they have given a dictionary. So which of the following will return the below one, guys? So for 9th question, when I did this, I have got 2 probable solutions, the second one and third one. So I have got these 2 options as the probable solutions for 9th question, guys. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one. So before getting into this, I want to once again make you remember that. So we are providing a huge number of 295 plus previous year's assessments as well as Proctor assessments questions, guys. 295 plus MCQs for just 500 rupees only. You can search any question you want. Search option is available, guys. High topic coverage is also there, guys. Up to 5 members can use that, and the validity is till the exam day, guys. Even it can be extendable up to results day as well. So up to 5 members can use that for just 500 rupees only. 295 plus, huge number of MCQs available, guys. So this is the mail ID you have to mail me, bk179417@gmail.com. So the same email ID will be given in the description box as well. So mail me only if you are confirmed to make the payment, guys, because many students are waiting for us. So we have to set everyone in the priority order. So first serve, first come, first serve will be followed, guys. So this is the mail ID. So message at the earliest so that you can get more time to prepare at the back end, guys. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions, the last one. So for 10th and final question, I have got the answer as third option, guys. Capital M and remaining all are small letters, Mahesh. So mark third option as the probable solution for final question. So friends, these are the solutions for week 2 assignment of Python for data science course. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share this news with your friends and classmates, guys, and keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.